this video, let's talk about it is safe to use 2-inch wheel spacers on your Land Cruiser 200. Let's go. Wheel spacers are aftermarket part of the Toyota Land Cruiser 200 series. They help to keep the wheels balanced and prevent them from rubbing against any suspension component. If your Land Cruiser has more than 2-inch wheel gap, quality 2-inch wheel spacers are exactly safe to use. Wheel spacers offer the best possible fit, look, and functionality for the Land Cruiser. The most important aspect of wheel spacer safety is the quality. There are various Land Cruiser wheel spacers in the aftermarket part. However, all spacers are not created equal. Always ensure you choose a trusted brand with a professional car part manufacturer. As a reliable, precise Land Cruiser wheel spacers manufacturer, Bonus is always maintaining the highest quality and the best fitment. From exact sizes to tolerance, we are strict with ISO standards. For connecting part, the higher the precision, the better the performance. The amount of tolerance reflects the precision. Bonus half-century wheel spacers are CNC machined, positioned at 0.02 mm tolerance. This eliminates any potential gap, ensuring a perfect installation. Let's see how to install 2-inch wheel spacers on your Land Cruiser correctly and see the before and after. If you have any questions about the wheel spacers, leave your comment. Thanks for watching and have a great day.